DJ and Kyrie participate in a cooking challenge to make steaks. Both chefs have New York strip steaks and various seasoning to use. And their mom Biannca evaluated the steaks based on taste, appearance, and overall quality. DJ and Kyrie season their steaks with ingredients like salt, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. They discuss the importance of seasoning both sides of the steak. The steaks are cooked in a hot cast iron skillet with olive oil and butter. The chefs are encouraged to flip and baste their steaks for better flavor. After cooking, the steaks are evaluated for tenderness and appearance. Kyrie's steak is deemed more cooked than DJ's, which is still a bit raw. Both steaks are presented for a taste test and the judge finds them flavorful. The judge struggles to choose a favorite. Nothing. Both steaks are juicy and well seasoned. Viewers are encouraged to comment on which steak they think looks better. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till that, and take care. Bye bye.